Want stunning yard decor on an extreme budget? $1. Today I'll show you some overlooked resale items that are my secret weapons for creating stunning outdoor decor. Most people miss out on these opportunities at garage sales and thrift stores because they have no idea how easily these items can be repurposed into gorgeous boutique-style garden art. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to look for to create your own one-of-a-kind yard decor for a fraction of the cost. Welcome to my channel. The first item that I'm always on the lookout for at resale shops and garage sales is oversized candle holders. These are the kind that are wide on the top and they're meant for pillar candles. These oversized candle holders are plentiful at garage sales and resale shops, which helps keep the costs low. In this case, I'm using a lightweight basket that can easily be screwed on, and it creates a stylish way to enjoy your yard. You can also attach metal trays or wood as tabletops, and then they become sturdy side tables, perfect for holding a cold drink. If the tabletop is heavy, and depending on your candle holder, you may need to attach a piece of wood underneath for balance and stability. Using decorative candle holders outdoors instantly adds a warm, festive atmosphere to your space. Consider using citronella candles in these holders. You'd be fighting away the mosquitoes with style. Pillar candle holders can also be paired with bowls and plates to turn ordinary serving pieces into a beautiful outdoor dining experience. Candle holders can also be transformed into unique butterfly feeders and eye-catching bird baths. These bring a creative element and custom colors to your garden spaces. Of course, you can use these candlesticks on their own as garden sculptures, adding visual interest amongst your plants and flowers. Or, if you really want to impress your friends and family, you can turn them into lighting features using solar or battery-operated lights. To put any of these looks together, you can use either a specialty adhesive or screws. And if you're attaching glass or ceramics to the candle holder, you'll want to use a special drill bit. All methods of putting this yard decor together are very affordable, and I'll put links in the description so that you can check these products out. One thing's for sure, the sculptural shapes and vintage character of pillar candle holders add personality and charm to any outdoor setting. Keep watching till the end because each item reveals even more creative possibilities. The next thing I'm always on the lookout for is metal wall hangings. If you watch my channel, you know I love to add indoor style to an outdoor space. And being metal, these hold up well to the weather, even in the wintertime. Check out how this subtle metal art piece has birds featured on it, and it adds an element of charm to the back of this privacy fence. This art piece was around $6, and lucky for me, nobody else noticed its outdoor potential. I just bought this metal wall art for $3 at a garage sale. With shapes like this, it's a great opportunity to mount flower pots on it, either horizontally or vertically. You might already know that I love to use metal pieces like this as upscale trellises. And I think my existing trellises from last year are looking spectacular this year. Do you agree? I'll tell you my unexpected use for this piece in just a minute. For now, check out all these other metal wall hangings that I have around my yard. So how did I end up using this piece? Well, this is one of those unintentional things that I happened to notice by chance when I set this down on the table to do something else. I noticed that the colors were perfectly vibing with what I already had going on by my deck. And now I love how it makes an amazing conversation centerpiece on the table. The possibilities are endless when you use metal wall hangings outside. The next item that I never pass up at garage sales and thrift stores are wooden boxes. Wooden boxes are classic. They can be elegant or rustic. What's great about wooden boxes is you can easily customize them by staining, painting, adding handles, embellishments, and even feet to raise them off the ground. Wooden boxes have hundreds of outdoor uses, as caddies, serving trays, utensil holders, flower pots, platforms, display shelves. This wooden box has slats so the rain passes through. In this case, I took a wooden box and added some textured rope. I attached it to a tree branch and turned it into a hanging flower box. I think this turned out as charming as can be. It's one of those budget-friendly upgrades that looks expensive, but really isn't. This wooden box was only $1.50 because nobody else wanted it. I painted it using a specialty paint technique, and it went from not my cup of tea to totally me, all in about 10 minutes. My pro-savvy secret of the day is, when you're painting anything for your outdoors, find a way to work in the colors of your house, trim, or fence. See how I'm blending a watered-down paint from my house trim right into this teal painted finish? Can you see how this would bring balance and continuity to your outdoor decor? Right now I'm using this big box as an ottoman, but I'll be using it all summer and fall to transport food and supplies back and forth from the house to the bonfires in our backyard. Keep watching because I have many more great ideas to share with you. And please subscribe to see my future videos filled with low-cost, abundant living ideas. The next category that I never pass up at resale shops or garage sales are small metal storage items. These would be the style that are wire-based and they let the rain pass through them. Check out this wine rack. Nobody else wanted it, so I got it for $1.99. Some plastic coffee cups, some paint, and mix in my passion for gardening and cooking, and I turn this into a freestanding herb garden. I love its portability because I can leave it by my kitchen door for easy access to herbs and easily tote it to another area of my yard if it happens to need a little more sun. I'd love to hear your opinion on this in the comments. Here's another style of a wine carrier that you can commonly get secondhand. Look how easy it would be to transform this into a flower pot holder. Or it can be used to showcase summer blooms. This would also be great to hold utensils at a summer buffet. I also have a really meaningful way to use this wine carrier. I didn't have the heart to throw out my childhood rock collection that I found in my family home, especially since I still love rocks. Now they have a permanent home in my current rock garden, along with the decorative bottle that my Uncle Joe gave me. And don't forget practical uses like this. Although this wire basket would look beautiful lined with Spanish moss and filled with flowers, we're using it for golf balls since we have a single-hole putting cup for golf practice. Tiered produce baskets are extremely common in the secondhand market, often for just a few dollars. Do you see the possibilities with plants, solar lights, flowers, and even candles? As you can see, you can use all kinds of wire baskets, magazine racks, wire storage bins, mail holders. Well, you get the picture. Well, there you have it. Now you have the inside scoop of my secret decorating weapons that most people would walk right by because they have no idea how fabulous they are when used outside. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I've got many more coming. Happy garden thrifting! Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.